Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is which of these fractions is larger or they equal? 1 over 92 plus 1 over 94 is greater than 2 by 93 or 2 by 93 is greater than 1 over 92 plus 1 over 94 or they both are equal. How can we solve this? We can write 1 over 92 is 1 over 93 minus 1 plus 1 over 94 is 1 over 93 plus 1. Now by taking the LCM, 93 minus 1 into 93 plus 1, here we can write 93 plus 1 plus 93 minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. So 2 into 93 divide by, and the denominator we can write 93 square minus 1. Now look at this fraction. If we multiply and divide both the numerator and denominator by 93, we can write 2 into 93 divide by 93 square. Now look into both the fractions. Here the numerators are same in both the fractions and the denominator, this one, is less than 93 square. So definitely 2 into 93 divided by 93 square minus 1 is greater than 2 into 93 divided by 93 square, and this is greater than 2 by 93. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.